Hi, my name is Pedro Miranda, and I am the VP of Engineering at Digicare Animal Health. Digicare is a family-owned and operated company with over 20 years of experience in manufacturing vital signs monitors. Digicare Animal Health can accommodate all areas of the hospital, offering single to sophisticated multi-parameter monitors, telemetry, and infusion systems. We are passionate about providing veterinarians with reliable solutions. In our monitors, you will not only find the highest quality components, but also the most advanced algorithms. Each of our devices are designed specifically for animals, and we deliver the most accurate readings. With the love of our pets and our devotion for engineering, we decided to manufacture veterinary-specific monitoring solutions to create confidence where none existed. Our products are always designed and engineered with animals and their health in mind. Each product is created with the sole purpose of aiding veterinarians in treating their patients. By providing the right equipment, we empower them to save more lives. At Digicare, each system can support an extensive range of animals, including companion, equine, and exotics, all with precise data and ease of use. Our most recent monitor, the LifeWindow One, is the most adaptable of them all. It can serve in all areas of the hospital, from initial evaluation to surgery and even post-op. It is especially designed with portability in mind, with a lightweight design and a battery that can last up to 7 hours. The LifeWindow One is optimized to show the critical information based on the selection of parameters being monitored. Digicare has also introduced a new line of space-saving stackable infusion pumps. The Digipump features a full-color touchscreen display, customizable drug library, Wi-Fi connectivity, and more. The Digipump provides clinic settings, which allows the ability to create plug-in modular workstations. All Digicare products come with a warranty along with lifetime support. Each monitor is designed, assembled, and tested in the USA. Digicare devices are created with veterinarians in mind. We place a great deal of focus on ease of use in the field, plus our exceptional customer support team has you covered with a stress-free experience from setup, troubleshooting, or with any questions you may have. We believe in going above and beyond for our customers, so they can better support those who rely on them. Our core is built on quality, accuracy, and dependability. Every device built in our facility is put through a rigorous testing process to ensure our high quality standards are met, delivering a truly exceptional product to our clients. Speak with a Digicare representative today.